Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Maitri-2 Antarctica station. First of all, let's see why this topic is in the news. India is set to establish a new research station, Maitri-2, in Antarctica to replace the aging Maitri station. Maitri-2 will be located in now. Let's discuss about significance of Maitri-2. Maitri station operational since 1988. Dakshin Gangotri in 1983, followed by Maitri in 1987. Now let's discuss about significance of Maitri-2. Maitri-2 will support advanced research in climate change, glaciology and biodiversity. It will provide improved facilities for about 90 scientists, ensuring year-round research activities. The station strengthens India's role in global scientific collaboration on Antarctica's impact on the global climate. India's presence in Antarctica began with Dakshin Gangotri in 1983, followed by Maitri in 1988 and Bharati in 2012. Maitri-2 reaffirms India's commitment to peaceful scientific pursuits as outlined in the Antarctic Treaty. The station will boost India's contributions to polar science diplomacy and research. Research from Maitri-2 will deepen understanding of Antarctica's influence on global systems. It strengthens India's position as a key player in international climate and environmental research. Now is the time for practice question. Where will the Maitri-2 research station be established? Option A, West Antarctica. Option B, East Antarctica. Option C, South Pole. Option D, Antarctic Peninsula. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.